If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in Cyberpunk 2077, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check game settings. Navigate to the game settings menu and ensure that voice chat is enabled. Look for the audio settings and confirm that the voice chat volume is turned up. Step 2. Verify audio device. Make sure your audio input and output devices are correctly set. Go to your system sound settings and check that the microphone and speakers you want to use are selected as default devices. Step 3. Update drivers. Ensure that your audio drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your sound card or audio device and download the latest drivers to ensure compatibility. Step 4. Test microphone. Test your microphone outside of the game to ensure it is functioning properly. Use a voice recording application or communication tool like Discord to check if your microphone is working. Step 5. Restart game and system. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting Cyberpunk 2077 and, if necessary, your gaming system. This can help reset any temporary glitches affecting voice chat functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the voice chat issues in Cyberpunk 2077. If problems persist, consider checking online forums or the game's support page for further assistance.